America's shipyards are dedicated to the health and safety of their employees. To achieve our shared goal of creating a workplace that is as safe and productive as we can make it, we need your help. We want you to help us figure out how we can work smarter, not harder. Everybody understands the importance of eliminating industrial accidents and injuries, but there's a more subtle health hazard that isn't nearly as obvious. Overuse or wear and tear injuries associated with everyday job tasks can take months or even years to become apparent, but they can be just as debilitating as a sudden injury. These work-related musculoskeletal disorders may seem minor, but they're no small problem. Injuries like these account for roughly 1/3 of the frequency and 2/3 of the costs associated with workplace safety issues. Everybody loses when they occur.
5 years ago at Todd Shipyards, our accident record was abysmal. Safety was not being paid attention to, and we were paying literally millions of dollars to maim our own workers, send them home, probably ruin their personal lives, replace them with less experienced people, and lose productivity in the process.
To minimize the pain, suffering, and dollar cost of work-related musculoskeletal disorders, shipyard employees and management must team up to create a better fit between people and the workplace. Ergonomics is the science of fitting the work to the worker, and we're going to take a look at how shipyards are using ergonomics to help everyone work smarter, not harder.
Ergonomics is basically placing the worker with the right work task. Our incident rate the last 4 years has declined approximately 400%, and we're now approximately 50% lower than the average industry.
The first thing that we went to work on actually was our accidents and our safety record. It was the one thing that everybody could agree with. Labor could work with management to make that a better story. Today, we've been consistently profitable now in the shipyard for 4 years. As a consolidated entity, we've been profitable for 5 years.
Makes us more productive and makes us more competitive. It's a very competitive industry.
In terms of the tangible costs that we see, our accident rate from 5 years ago is down about 80%. We're significantly below the industry average now. We've asked ourselves why we didn't do this 15 years ago.
I can't think of any reason why anyone would not want to pay attention to ergonomics, because it does heighten the awareness of all employees.